Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your guy DJ Bishop, property manager by day, DJ by night. Just kind of want to show you a couple little things on furnace repair. A lot of people, furnace may go out, you know, for a simple reason. The main reason one of the issues furnaces go out is that people don't change the filter. Most of your filters are going to be located on the side here. I'm at one of my tenants' house now. Let me make sure they've been changing their filter. Probably haven't, but the filter is there. Looks like this thing needs to be changed because it's kind of bowing and getting sucked in. Ooh, sorry about that. So filters go on the side there. This one needs to probably be changed out. I'll change that in a minute here. But you just pull it out and then you just pop another one in there. We'll do that here in a minute. Another thing, let me get this screwdriver out. I can point out some things. I think this is the, I forgot what they call this thing here, flywheel, but I just took some air compressor and just kind of blew that out, cleaned that off a little bit. Looked like they got a lot of rust in the bottom here. Probably what happened from there is, looked like they had the air conditioner that was leaking, and that's the A coil is up in here. And what happened is that thing get clogged, full of water and gunk from the hard water from the calcium and not being clean. Like if you don't change that furnace filter out, the air and all the little dust and stuff gets up in this thing and clog these little coils up. And when it clogs the coils up, this little thing won't, this is a drain, water drain system, and it drains out. And it only come around to the vent right there on, I mean not the vent, but the floor drain. If this thing is clogged, the water just pumps out of the side. So it looks like they already got a towel here to catch that. So yeah, that's a problem. So they need to keep this thing clean. They need to keep the filters and stuff changed out. So I don't know, I'll talk to them about that. Anyway, but the main thing, a couple things that normally go out in the furnace, whoa, falling over here, is you got the flame sensor. And the flame sensor, I don't know if you can see it, it's back here. You see that little thing right there? I just changed that out, and what it looks like this thing here. It's a little hook-shaped thing. See how this thing is all burnt and all it has a like a coating, like a I don't know, chrome, silver, metallic coating on it, and the coating is all burned off of this one. So what happens is when it's all burnt off, the furnace can't tell if the fire is on or off. So when the fire is shooting, the fire shoots through these tubes and it goes in there, and then your blower, which is underneath, will blow the heat up through the air ducts, and it'll go up through the air ducts, and then it'll heat the house. Okay. If this flame sensor is broke or dirty, or I mean, you could clean it off a couple times. I just decided I'll just change it out. So we don't have to have any problems. So I just change it out. And how to change it out is, it's just a simple, it goes in there like that, and I don't know if you can see it. You see it right there. It's a little screw, a hexagon screw, and you just unscrew it with your hex screwdriver, which is this thing here, and it looks like that, like the hexagon little thing in there. So you just take that and screw it out, and then you replace it. Pull the wire clip off. The wire clips look like that. You just pull that wire clip off, and then you just replace it, stick it back in there. Simple, breezy. Another thing here is a flame igniter. It's that metallic looking thing. You can see that thing back there. I don't know if you can see that little shiny thing that's glittering back there, way in the back there. I don't want to put my hand on it, but that thing back there, that's the flame igniter. And what that does is like a spark plug, like your stove. It sparks the stove. Like when this thing get going, it'll bright up real bright. I wish it would just come on right now, but it'll get really bright, like bright orange, and it'll ignite the gas. So either two things: if that thing is not igniting, that means it's not gonna light the gas, and you're not gonna get any heat. And in this thing right here, like when you have problems where you have it set to like 75 auto, and if your thermostat says 60 degrees in the house, that's because the flame sensor, which is that thing over there, is not sensing that it's flames going or not. So it doesn't know if the flames is on or off. So it has no way of telling that. So those are the two common problems that normally that keeps the furnace from working. So if you troubleshoot those two areas, then you should if you troubleshoot those areas and check both of those things, normally one of those things are not working, and if those two are working, then it's a serious problem, and you probably have to call somebody. But these two things you can fix yourself. How you get to that? It's the same kind of screw. The screw for it is right here. Yeah, oh man, you can't see it, but the screw is right there. You unscrew that, and that whole thing falls down, and you can go to any of your HVAC type stores and get that part replaced, and then you can just pop it back in there, and then you're good to go. Simple. Those two things are easy breezy to do. Anybody can do it, as long as you got a screwdriver, a hex screwdriver, and be good to go. Okay. So let's see if I can get this thing working. I don't know why it's not working. I wish I can get it lit up for you right now so I can kind of show you. Okay, there we go. We got something going. I don't know if it's gonna light up or not. I just turn the blower on and off. And that's a switch right here. You can turn that blower on and off right here. A lot of times too, if your furnace is not working, you can check that too. And that's normally sitting right on the outside here of the furnace. On and off switch, and you got a fuse there. Check that, make sure that fuse not blown out, and get you going on there. So just a little feedback on how to repair a furnace. Thanks for watching my videos. DJ Bishop, property manager by day, DJ by night. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you have any questions, definitely hit me up in the comment section down there, and subscribe to my videos if you're not, share them. But just keep in mind, I'm not a furnace repair guy, so I can't troubleshoot you through repairing your furnace. Those are just little things I know from messing with these things enough to get them to work. So hopefully that'll be helpful to you, and you can fix your furnace like one of those cold nights where it doesn't work. So I would say just get those things on hand. Get yourself one of these flame sensors right here. Get you a couple of those, and get you another one of those flame igniter, and you'll be good to go. So on those cold nights when your furnace stops working, those are the two most common problems that will get the furnace going, get that furnace going again. So yeah, I wish this thing would just fire up, but I guess it's not cold enough in this house to fire up. But anyway, all right, thanks for watching my video. Okay, I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. I just kind of want to show you how this works. See how that thing lighting up, that coil back there? That thing lights up real bright, and then that thing's gonna sense it. There's the flame. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. See, that thing is right in the middle of the fire, so I can tell if the fire is on or not. And then that thing right there ignites the fire, so that's what it looks like. That's the fire furnace for you. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Peace.